We reached out to all 4 of our local senators, and they remain pretty split right now. The 2 Maryland senators tell us that they believe that local legislation should be decided by local leaders. However, the 2 Virginia senators told us that they're going to actually support the Senate resolution to overturn that D.C. law. It's a local issue that's quickly becoming a national one and forcing these senators to choose a side.
The messaging got out of our control.
D.C. Council Chair Phil Mendelson announcing on Monday that they'd be withdrawing the controversial D.C. Revised Criminal Code Act. But that's not stopping the Senate vote on Wednesday.
Washington is different from any other city in America.
Republicans like Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell have blasted the bill as a threat to public safety.
We need to have a reasonable expectation of security here in the Capitol.
The bill was headed to the president's desk, and the president made a decision.
White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre saying on Monday that Biden would sign the resolution overturning the D.C. law. Here she was going into greater detail on Friday.
Because D.C. is not a state, when bills like this occur, it goes to the president, and he has to make a decision. And that's where we are. It's as simple as that.
Meanwhile, a split among our local senators. Maryland Senators Ben Cardin and Chris Van Hollen have said they'd vote against the Senate resolution. Van Hollen saying, quote, "I support the right of the people of the District of Columbia to self-determination and full democracy." But a different story for our Virginia senators. Senator Mark Warner told the Washington Post that he'd support the resolution, as did Senator Tim Kaine, who took our questions yesterday afternoon.
I'm a strong believer in home rule. I'm a believer in D.C. statehood. But the fact of the matter is, there are certain kinds of laws that if D.C. passes, we can't duck them. They come to Congress, and we're asked to express an opinion.
We also reached out to Delegate Eleanor Holmes Norton, D.C.'s sole representative in Congress. She was unavailable for an interview, but wrote the following when the resolution was first announced. Quote, "Today has been a sad day for D.C. home rule and D.C. residents' right to self-governance." The vote's going to be today inside the Capitol. As soon as we have those results, we'll pass it along. Reporting here at the Capitol, I'm Evan Koslof, WUSA 9.